Hey you guys, it's Tanya. What's going on? So it's about 9 o'clock in the morning, and usually my goal is to be working out before 9 o'clock and be done by 9. Not so much this morning, but I'm getting ready to. I just washed my face because yesterday I was so intent that I forgot to wash my face. So let me tell you about yesterday because you guys, I went to bed last night and totally forgot about doing a video. I apologize for that. But yesterday was crazy busy in a great way. So I woke up, or should I say I awakened at about 7-ish. I got up and put on my clothes, made my workout drink, which is really just water with some recovery for working out and a little bit, like maybe an inch of cranberry juice. Worked out, and then I went, like I usually when I get done working out, I come in my bathroom and wash my face and and then I'll take a bath or a shower and then start my day. But yesterday I was like bam, bam, bam. And so I got done working out. I had to go to Kroger to pick up my ClickList order because I had to be there between 8 and 9, and we were getting towards the latter part of 9. And so that's what threw my whole game off. But I ordered my ClickList Sunday at Kroger so that today I could go pick it up and do my meal prep. So you guys, when I got done working out, changed my shoes, went to Kroger, got my stuff, started doing all my meal prep. So I'm not gonna make this video too long, but what I will say is I made shrimp and scallops. I did baked chicken with lots of seasoning. I did one cluster of vegetables that was spaghetti squash, zucchini, and mushrooms. And then I did another cluster of vegetables that was broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots. And then I did another cluster of vegetables that was spinach with mushrooms and onion. And then I did Brussels sprouts. And these were everything was roasted except for the spinach. The spinach was sauteed. What else did I do? Oh, and I also did rice. So I did a box of Goya yellow rice because I love flavor, you guys. I can't do a bland food. And I mixed that with about a box size, but not a box because I have a bag of brown rice. So I mixed them together and I added some sazon, which is a Mexican like cluster seasoning. I get a brand that's called, oh my goodness, I just blanked out, you guys. It starts with a B, but that Sazon does not have MSG. If you get the Goya Sazon, which is S-A-Z-O-N, it has MSG in it. So if you are sensitive to MSG, I'm a little sensitive to it. Don't get that one, get the other brand, which I think is like Barra, B-A-R-R-A maybe, but I'm totally guessing here. I'm trying to go off memory. Anyway, excuse me. So I did all of my meal prep. You guys, I was short because I haven't done this in a while, so I forgot. So probably I need to write down all the things I do normally down. So I was short 1 bag of scallops. I should have used 2 bags of scallops and 1 bag of shrimp, and I forgot. And so I had to go, luckily I had some in the freezer, but I had to make a second batch of scallops. And I was short my squash, zucchini, and mushroom combo because my meal prep is for I have 15 containers that I got off of Amazon, but I do 15 meals at a time, which gives me 7 days of meals because my breakfasts are my overnight oats or a smoothie, which I will do a video about those. I'm just trying to figure out the semantics so that it's not like 30 minutes long. So we'll figure that out. But so I did all my meal prep. Meal prep took a lot longer because I underestimated my sizes, so that won't happen next time. Meal prep usually should only be about an hour and a half and you're done. So what else? And then after that, I did a little bit of paperwork for work. And then, you guys, I went walking with Narika, because I haven't talked to her in freaking forever. So we went walking yesterday evening. And then I came home. Oh, and when I worked out yesterday, I purposely did not watch Game of Thrones last Sunday night so that I could watch it as I was working out. Dude, it made my workout go so much faster. Like, because Game of Thrones, I think, was like an hour or 55 minutes. You're done. So, what else? I'm trying to think. Yeah, and then I came home, took a bath, went to bed. I probably was in bed before 10, you guys, because I was worn out. And so I went on Fitbit. And so yesterday, hold on, you guys, my iPad is old. And in the past week, for something, my button's starting to stick. And I've tried to clean the button, but I don't know what's going on. It could just be its way of trying to make me buy a new iPad. But anyway, yesterday, I got 17,450 steps. You guys. So let me just tell you how tired I was. Like, my lower back, it's not hurting, but like when I get fatigued, my lower back, I can feel the fatigue in my lower back first. And like this morning when I woke up, I could still feel the fatigue. So I'm just gonna do my regular workout today, and then I'm gonna chill. I got some continuing education to do for work. And I think I'm gonna go to Ulta to look at makeup. Maybe, we'll see. And that's about it. So it was a great day yesterday. It was a great day yesterday, you guys. Very positive. Very happy with everything that went on. I haven't weighed myself, but I'm pretty sure I weigh the same as I did 2 weeks ago. I don't feel like my body does not feel like I've lost any weight at all. Like looking down in my stomach, it's not making me happy. But I'm not gonna let that deter me. I'm still gonna keep on working out and eating healthy and drinking lots of water and just hoping to get my body back right. So that's how we're looking right now. But I will check in with you guys either tonight or tomorrow. If I don't talk to you more today. And I'm sorry, you guys. I feel like I'm souped up on caffeine, but I haven't even had any caffeine. But I'm just over here just like, what? So I apologize for all the nervous energy. But you guys have an awesome Tuesday. I hope you enjoy it. I hope wherever you are in the world, the weather is awesome and you're having an excellent day. I'll talk to you later. Aholla!